हेलो दोस्तों। तो मैं हूं हर्षित वर्मानी। आज हमारा बायोकेमिस्ट्री का तीसरा टेस्ट था। इससे पहले हम बायोकेमिस्ट्री के 2 टेस्ट दे चुके हैं, केमिस्ट्री ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स और केमिस्ट्री ऑफ अमीनो एसिड्स पे। हमारा एनाटॉमी का भी एक टेस्ट हुआ था। कुछ मुश्किल चलते या फिर अपने मन की सुनते वो टेस्ट में कुछ क्वेश्चंस मैं नहीं लिख पाया था या टाइम मैनेजमेंट नहीं हो पाई थी। तो जब वो चेक होकर मिलेगा तो मैं आपसे वो भी डिस्कस करूँगा। आज हमारे कॉलेज में क्या क्या हुआ, कौन से लेक्चर्स थे, आज का होमवर्क क्या है, पहले ये सब डिस्कस करते हैं। मैं ज़्यादा लंबी वीडियो नहीं बना सकता क्योंकि अभी कोई ख़ास सेटअप नहीं है अपने पास। तो जितना है हम उससे बेस्ट बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे। हमारा आज सबसे पहला लेक्चर था बायोकेमिस्ट्री का। बसवराज सर ने लिया। आई वॉज कन्फ्यूज बिटवीन बसवा प्रभु एंड बसवराज। सो बसवराज सर, डॉक्टर बसवराज सर, so he told us about metabolism. He continued with metabolism, metabolic pathways, metabolism of carbohydrates. He continued glycolysis. He made us to revise previous things. He told us about which book to use. He actually didn't prefer one book over the other, but he said our university says which book to use or prescription given by the university. He told we should read Vasudevan also. So I have brought Vasudevan from one of my seniors. So let's start what happened today. First I will show you the question paper, then we will try to find out answers to those questions. Biochemistry test I have already displayed the question paper, although we have not discussed all of the answers. But I will try that I should discuss everything with you and with my friends and any other fellow student who wants to study. So let me bring first, wait for a second. So wait, I will focus this thing. I think now it's clear. Today I was able to attempt all the questions, somewhat in good handwriting, but even today I thought presentation was not. So leave that thing. First question is, describe classification with suitable examples and important properties and functions of phospholipids. I have this thing. I borrowed one book from library. This is the book. You can also borrow this from the library. I will tell the answer in the audio first. In the first video I will try to tell the answers in the audio. I got that question here. I will tell the answers in this audio. Wait, let me tell you. Essential fatty acids may be one of the question. Here we are having phospholipids, right? अगर आप चाहें कि मैं हिंदी में बात करूं तो मुझे कमेंट्स में लिखकर ज़रूर बताएं, ठीक है? लेट मी टेक आउट दैट थिंग. एक्चुअली आई वाज नॉट in the way fully prepared, but we all will work together and we will bring out good results. So what was the question? Important functions. Firstly I am taking this function of phospholipids, then I will come to this. Actually whatever I am having, I will start with it, then we will be in organized, we will write in or learn in organized way also. Phospholipids are structural components of cell membrane. Here cell wall is also written. I will check whether phospholipids are present in cell wall. Phospholipids, structural components, cell membrane, myelin sheath, cell organelles like mitochondria and microsomes. First function. It is a prosthetic group of certain enzymes. Phospholipids can be prosthetic groups. They are required for enzyme activity. They play a role in blood coagulation. I will check this part. Blood coagulation is an important topic in physiology. And phospholipids are implicated in ion transport and secretion. So that's the third. They participate in electron transport and oxidative phosphorylation in mitochondria. Lecithin lowers surface tension and aids in emulsification of fats, helps in absorption of fats from GI tract. Next, they help in transport of lipids from intestine. Exogenous Tg is carried as lipoprotein complex chylomicrons. I am moving faster. Video is getting about 5 minutes. So then choline part of lecithin acts as a lipotropic agent and prevents formation of fatty liver. Transport of lipids from liver. Endogenous TG formed in liver is carried in blood as lipoprotein complex called very low density lipoprotein VLDL which requires PL. Phospholipids required as a cofactor for the activity of membrane lipoprotein lipase and TG lipase. Membrane phospholipids serve as source of arachidonic acid, which is used for the synthesis of prostaglandins and leukotrienes. Phospholipids of myelin sheath provide insulation around the nerve fibers. Metabolites of phosphatidyl inositides have been implicated in hormone action.